back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making beans and corn porridge. This is a very good combination and you will like it even if you don't like to eat beans. It tastes so delicious. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I'll start by soaking my beans for about 4 hours. It helps to fasten the cooking process. After about 4 hours of soaking the beans, I will drain out the water and rinse the beans. Done rinsing the beans, I'll be adding the beans into a pot. Using warm water to cook the beans to fasten the cooking process. I'll start by adding water. I'll add enough water to cook the beans. I'll be adding bay leaf to my beans. It helps for digestion and flavor. I'll be adding onion. Then I will cover and allow to cook. To make the sauce, I'll start by cutting the onion, minced bell pepper, and scotch bonnet. I'll be adding them into the blender and blend. Into a preheated pan, I'll be adding oil. Add the blended pepper mixture. Then stir to fry. I'll be adding stock cube and salt. Then I will stir to continue frying. While the sauce is frying, I will check on my beans. Notice that the beans have cooked properly when it's soft and tender. Then I'll add the pepper sauce into the beans and mix properly. I'll also add the sweet corn and mix. Please remember to taste for salt. Then I will stir and allow to simmer for about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, I will turn off my heat. The beans is ready. I'm enjoying the beans with plantain, so I'll start by frying the plantain. The beans and corn porridge tastes so delicious. It is a very good combination. I hope you try this. Thank you all for watching. Bye.